October 14th, 2025 is the day Windows 10 stops getting free security updates. If you do nothing, your PC keeps running, but the lock on your digital front door stops being repaired. Today I'll show you exactly what changes, what stays safe, and your smartest options that won't waste money or time. I am Jake and this is nerdsection.com. Here's the headline. Microsoft ends support for Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025. After that, no more free security fixes, no feature updates, and no technical support. Your PC will still boot, your apps will still open, but newly discovered holes in Windows 10 won't be patched for the general public. That's why this matters. Unpatched operating systems become prime targets over time. There are two important lifelines. First, Microsoft Edge and the WebView 2 runtime will keep getting updates on Windows 10 until at least October 2028. That means this browser and many embedded web components stay modern for a while. Second, Microsoft 365 apps like Word and Excel will receive security updates on Windows 10 through October 10th, 2028 to help people transition. They'll still run, but they won't be fully supported on Windows 10, so expect fewer fixes and possible quirks over time. If you can deal with it, the best move is a free upgrade to Linux. If not, and your hardware qualifies, the second best move is a free upgrade to Windows 11. Check in Settings under Windows Update or use Microsoft's PC Health Check. The non-negotiables are a compatible 64-bit CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, UEFI firmware with secure boot, and TPM 2.0. If you meet those, you'll keep getting full security and feature updates with no extra cost. Can't upgrade yet? Microsoft now offers extended security updates for personal Windows 10 PCs. This is new for consumers. Enroll right inside Settings on an eligible Windows 10 version 22H2 device. Coverage runs 1 year through October 13th, 2026, and it delivers critical and important security patches only. No new features, no general support. Price tag $30 per device in most regions. Microsoft also lists two alternatives to paying cash. Enroll by syncing your Windows settings with Windows Backup at no additional cost, or redeem 1000 Microsoft Rewards points. You'll need to sign in with a Microsoft account to enroll. Think of ESU as a seatbelt that buys time while you plan the move. It's not a long-term home. If you manage devices for a business, there's a separate commercial ESU program. You can renew annually for up to 3 years after end of support. Year 1 is $61 per device via volume licensing, and the price doubles each year. There are also cases where ESU is included at no extra charge for certain cloud and virtual environments, like Windows 365 Cloud PCs or Azure Virtual Desktop. For a household, that's probably overkill, but it's good to know if you're the resident IT person. If your PC fails the Windows 11 hardware check, usually because of TPM 2.0 or an older CPU, your cleanest fix is a new machine. The upside, you get modern security, much better battery life on current laptops, and features like automatic HDR, AI enhancements on Copilot Plus PCs, and stronger built-in protections. If you need more runway, you can pair ESU on your current box this year and plan a purchase during seasonal sales. Could you just keep using Windows 10 without ESU? Technically, yes. Practically, you're rolling the dice. Over time, known vulnerabilities pile up, and no antivirus can compensate for missing OS patches indefinitely. Some vendors will support Windows 10 for a while. Nvidia, for example, has driver support plans into 2026, but the trend is downward. As more apps and drivers stop targeting Windows 10, performance and compatibility degrade. If this breakdown helps you sort your plan, consider subscribing so you don't miss our step-by-step upgrade and buying guides next. Here's the clean path I recommend. First, run the PC Health Check and confirm your status. If you're compatible, back up with Windows Backup and upgrade to Windows 11 for free. If you're not compatible and you need to stay on your current machine, enroll in ESU inside Settings to cover the next year. While you're covered, decide, Are you swapping hardware, moving to a cloud PC for a specialty use case, or finally upgrading the desktop? If you're sticking with Windows 10 temporarily, keep Edge updated, keep your drivers current, and harden your habits. Standard user account, up-to-date browser extensions only, and be picky about what you install. That's how you stay secure without overspending. Drop your questions or your upgrade status in the comments and tell us what you want us to test next. If this saved you time, hit subscribe for the follow-up guides and our recommended PC picks.